are 118 elements in the periodic table. There are 7 periods and 18 groups in the periodic table. This is the first period. This all the one period, and this is the second period, and this is the third period, and this is the fourth period, and this is the fifth period, this is sixth, and this is the final seventh. There are 18 groups. This is the 1A, 2A, and this is the third B, fourth B, and this is a fifth B, and this is the sixth B, this is the seventh B, these three are eighth B. This is the eighth B. And next, this is the first A. And this is the second A. This is the third B, third A. And this is the fourth A. This is the fifth A. Sixth A. This is the seventh A. This is the eighth A, or noble gas elements. These two groups are main group elements. Main, I will write here. Main group elements. S subshell main group elements. And this is the here third B to first A or D subshell transition elements. Transition elements D subshell. And second A to eighth A are main group elements P subshell. Here two main group elements there are 7 periods. This is the first period. Here two, here are first period, and here two, here belongs to 8th B. And this is the first A and this is the second A. This is the third A, fourth A, fifth A, sixth A, seventh A and eighth A are noble gases. In these two groups and these two groups are main group elements. S subshell main group elements. And this 1, 2, 3, 4. These 10 groups are transition elements. D subshell transition elements. And this 6 these 6 groups are main group elements T subshell. And this one is the inner transition elements F subshell. Inner transition F subshell. Okay. Now we will write the elements. In the first group, first element is hydrogen. We will write only 1 to 30 only. Next, first hydrogen. And this is the second. This is the second helium. This is the third lithium. Fourth beryllium. This is the boron. Carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine and neon. This is the sodium. Magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon, potassium, calcium. And next, scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron, cobalt, copper. This is the copper. Nickel, cobalt and zinc. In the previous episodes we discussed about elements, symbol, electronic configuration and all. And this 6th period and 7th period are divided by 2, lanthanides and actinides. These are lanthanides. And 7th period are actinides. And there are 108 elements and these are noble gas elements. The electronic configuration of elements are stable and all elements have non-stable, and this have full elements 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, that like helium, neon, argon, krypton. Krypton will come here. Krypton, xenon. That's like. Next, we will discuss about periods, how many elements, and destination of the designation of the elements. On first period. P means period. There are two elements. And shortest period in the periodic table. And now second period. There are 8 elements. Short period. And third period. Third period also 8 elements. And now fourth period. There are 18 elements. Normal period. And fifth period also 18 elements. This is also normal period. And now sixth period. There are 32 elements. And longest period. And the last period. There are 20 elements. There are also 30 elements. Some issues 20 elements only. This is incomplete period in the periodic table. Now we will discuss. In the first period, there are 2 elements. This is named by the shortest period in the table. And second period, there are 8 elements named by short period in the table. And the third, there are 18 elements, normal period. And the fourth, also 18 elements. This is also normal period. And the fifth, also the third, 8 elements only. This is also the short period. And the fourth, there are 18 elements, and this is the normal period. And the fifth, also 18 elements. This is also the normal period. And the sixth, 32 elements. This is the longest period in the periodic table, and this seventh 20 elements only. There are 32 elements, but some issues they named by 20 elements, and this is the incomplete table, incomplete period in the periodic table.